Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix could not load result problem on Facebook. So let's get started. Now first things first, you want to ensure that you're connected to an internet source. So that's whether by having cellular data or connecting to a Wi-Fi, and you want to ensure that your internet is fast and stable, and this should resolve the issue. However, if this does not work, you could actually go to the App Store and check if you have any updates for Facebook. And if you do, you could go ahead and quickly update the application. Now, if this does not resolve the issue, what you could do if you're an Android user is by actually clearing the data and cache for the Facebook application. And once you do that, you would then need to manually log back in. However, if you're an iOS user, you know that clearing cache is not as easy as if you were an Android user, so you'd need to actually delete the Facebook application from your device. So it simply needs to long press on Facebook and tap on remove app, then delete app, and this removes all the data of the application. Now once you have deleted the application, you would need to go to the App Store and reinstall the application, and this should resolve the issue. Now you could actually go ahead and try restarting your device, or you could go ahead and try reinstalling the older version of Facebook on your device, as the new version might be buggy or it is not compatible with your device. But that's pretty much how you go about fixing could not load result problem on Facebook. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.